If you have a Microsoft Flight Simulator but you don't know how to start a flight, here is a tutorial for you. Firstly, main menu, then tap a world map. Then you should choose your departure airport. Let it be New York KJFK. Settled. Then you should choose your destination airport. Let it be my favorite EDDF, Frankfurt. Settled. Then we see that we have the GPS route, so I want to fly higher, so I would choose IFR route in a higher flight space. Then we see that our fuel is so low, so let's go into plane settings, weight and balance, fuel, and set the fuel into maximum. Then just close. Now we have enough fuel to fly. Then let's set the runway and the gate to fly from. It will be a gate number 36. Then we should choose our approach and the gate to fly to. It'll be ILS 07R. And the gate number J8. The route is being settled. That's all. Then click fly. And wait until the loading bar reaches the end and press start. Thank you for watching.